Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon gift card for someone else. This is a perfect solution when you want to give someone the freedom to choose their own gift, and Amazon makes the process incredibly simple and convenient. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page, click on it and type Amazon gift card, then hit enter to start the search. This will bring up all the gift card options Amazon offers. From the search results, click on Amazon gift card. This takes you to the main gift card page where you'll find a variety of customization options to make your gift more personal and meaningful. Amazon provides several preset occasions to match the reason you're giving the gift. Browse through these options and select the one that fits your needs best. Next, you'll notice preset design names available for you to choose from. These designs add a nice visual touch to your gift card, making it feel more thoughtful and tailored to the recipient. Select the design that you think they'll appreciate most. Now it's time to decide on the gift amount. You can choose from the preset amounts Amazon suggests, or if you have a specific number in mind, you can enter a custom amount by typing it into the designated field. This flexibility ensures you can give exactly what you want, whether it's a small gesture or a more generous gift. After setting the amount, you'll need to choose your delivery method. You can select between email, shareable link, or text message depending on what works best for you and the recipient. If you opt for email, the next step is to enter the recipient's email address in the field provided. Make sure to double-check this to ensure your gift reaches the right person. Once that's done, type your gift message in the designated field. This is your chance to add a personal touch, whether it's a birthday wish, a thank you note, or just a thoughtful message to brighten their day. Next, click the calendar picker to choose your target date. This feature is particularly useful if you want the gift card to arrive on a specific day, like a birthday or anniversary. Select the date you prefer, and the gift card will be sent automatically on that day. When you're ready to complete the purchase, click Buy Now in the right panel. This will take you to the payment page where you need to select your payment method from the options linked to your account. Choose the one you want to use for this purchase. Finally, click Place Your Order to finalize everything. Amazon will process your order and send the gift card according to your chosen delivery method and scheduled date. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Amazon gift card for someone else. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.